This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make probiotics for Flowerhorn. First, understand that probiotics are beneficial microorganisms that support your fish's digestive health. They help break down food more efficiently, ensuring better nutrient absorption. This leads to stronger immunity and a more vibrant, active Flowerhorn. Making your own is simple and ensures you know exactly what your fish are consuming. To begin, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need a good probiotic starter, like plain live yogurt or kefir grains, and a sugar source such as molasses or brown sugar. Also, prepare clean, sterilized containers, an air pump with an air stone, and a fine mesh strainer. Having a pH testing kit on hand will help you monitor the fermentation process accurately. Now, let's make the probiotic mix. Combine 1 part starter culture with 10 parts sugar source and 100 parts dechlorinated water in your sterilized container. Aerate this mixture, continuously using an air pump for 24 to 48 hours. Keep the temperature stable, ideally around 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Once fermented, strain the liquid to separate the probiotic solution from any solids. Finally, apply and store your homemade probiotics correctly. Soak your Flowerhorn's regular pellets in the probiotic solution for about 15 to 20 minutes before feeding. Offer this enhanced food 2 to 3 times per week. Store any remaining probiotic solution in a sealed container in the refrigerator for up to 1 to 2 weeks. Always ensure the solution smells fresh before use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.